In this video, I'm going to help you check whether you have a malicious app installed on your mobile phone. So I think this is one of the most asked questions online. People ask how they can see whether they have a virus app or a malicious app installed on their mobile phone. So to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. If you're an Android user, hop on your Play Store, and on here, you just tap on your profile here. Good. So on your profile, you just tap on the Manage Apps on Device, something like this. So on here, let's choose the first option, which is the No Harmful Apps Found. Let's tap on that. So I think you should be doing this search, or you should be running this scan most often. So what you need to do is, you can see I just ran the scan and they're saying I have no harmful apps found on this mobile phone. That was 5 minutes ago. But then you should be doing this, I think, weekly, or if you download apps mostly from the internet. If you don't download them from Play Store, I think you should be doing that. So all you need to do is just tap on the scan here, and it's going to scan. So if they find any malicious app or a suspicious app, they are going to show you, and you would have to uninstall it. You turn off all the permissions and you have to uninstall it. So that's it on how to find whether you have a malicious or a virus app installed on your mobile phone. That's your Android mobile phone. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.